Today, we're quickly unboxing this Lesnow solder flux paste and solder wick braid kit. It is designed to provide you with what you need to make electronic repairs much cleaner and more efficient. This combo pack includes a 10cc syringe of soldering flux paste and a generous 10-foot spool of no-clean desoldering wick. Let's pull everything out to give you a closer look. Out of the bag, we have the core elements: the flux syringe, the desoldering braid, a plunger, and precision tips. The flux syringe is well sealed, with a blue cap on each end to prevent it from drying out. With the rear cap off, let's insert the plunger. It fits snugly, which is vital for maintaining consistent pressure when dispensing, although some users find it to be a bit stiff initially. The flux paste inside is thick enough to stay exactly where you put it without running. It is halogen-free, non-corrosive, and safe for sensitive PCB components. The desoldering wick has a fine weave, perfect for soaking up solder from tight spaces without damaging nearby components. And finally, you get 2 precision needle tips. These are a game changer for SMD work. Instead of globbing flux onto a board, these needles allow for microscopic application. Let's attach one to the lure lock fitting on the syringe. It's a secure twist-on connection that won't pop off under pressure. These tips can also be used with any other lure lock syringes, although they must be cleaned after use to prevent clogging. Overall, this kit provides a complete solution for modern electronics work. We hope you found this video informative.